Today's video is going to get a little bit deep, about 3 feet deep to be exact. This is actually the 4th time I've come out and plowed snows in the last 4 days. It snowed 4 out of the last 5 days, as a matter of fact. Even with a skid loader, 3 feet of snow is a lot to move in one pass. So coming out every day and taking the 5, 8, 12 inches, whatever it snowed that day, and clearing it off makes this job a lot easier. This is the road up to the shop. These trees are bowed over so bad I can't get up there right now. Now, just because I got the car out doesn't mean we can actually go anywhere. That's kind of up to the state and the county plows to get the rest of the roads clear. And the answer to that question is clearly a no. They have plowed a couple of times in the last couple of days. Last time was yesterday afternoon, but it snowed another 5 or 6 inches of really wet, sloppy stuff. And I don't feel like going out in that because it'd be hard to get back. Yeah, we do have the Bronco, but it doesn't run very well and isn't very reliable. Needs some work. Personally, I didn't do a very good job measuring snow. After 2 days, I went out and I measured 25 inches. Yesterday, when I started shoveling, it's the next day now, I only measured 22 inches. That means the snow's been compacting and it's been melting. It's been just a little above freezing most of this time. The ground was warm when it started. So a lot of this has been melting. And then the last little bit the other night was a real heavy wet snow, and that means it was compacting the lighter, fluffier snow that was on the bottom. So personally, I never got a really good measurement. Somebody else who did a more thorough job of measuring incrementally throughout the storm came up with 41 inches here in Beulah. And that's somebody that keeps track of the weather better than I do, so I think that's probably a pretty accurate number. And it's a pretty nice storm for this early. It's been a hot, dry summer. We didn't get much fall if you consider this really winter now, and kind of looks wintry to me. So I'm really glad to see this much moisture. This is going to fill our storage tank for our water system on the house. It's going to reduce the fire risk, help the plants get through the winter. Clearing all this up is a pain, and the mud is going to be terrible this week. But in the long run, it's worth it. We'll see you for the next video.